Hi, I'm Steve Spencer from SNB Capital. Today's trading tip/lesson deals with this idea that happens to all of us who trade. What happens when we're wrong? When an idea that we come up with for a trade, which we think is a good risk-reward, because that's what a trade is, it's finding a setup where there's a good risk-reward. What happens when we don't get that reward and we have to realize that risk and take a loss? So recently, I had an idea which I shared via StockTwits in terms of buying Alibaba into a pullback to the 98 area. And the first time it came down there, it supported rather nicely, popped up $1 and change, came back down there again, popped up again, and then the following day, it actually opened a little bit higher. It was close to $100, but was sold off very aggressively as the market opened. It was actually showing a lot of weakness, even relative to the market. And so in this case, I want to talk to you a little bit about how I exited and what your options really are if a trade is not working for you, depending on your trading style, how aggressive you are exiting a trade or how conservative you are. So what we see on the second day, where I put a little message there, exit 1, it sold off very aggressively after consolidating right above that support area down to $97 a share. In that case, what I did was exited out of some of the position. I gave it a chance to come back up to the prior support area to see if it would act as resistance, and it did, and that's kind of the more conservative, not the more conservative probably is the right word, that's the more patient way. If you see it go through the support and you want to see if it can come back up to retest to get a better exit price, and when it fails there at 98, you can exit there as well. Basic rule in trading is prior support can become resistance, and prior resistance can become support. Depending on your trading style, that's going to dictate how you exit there. But the most important thing is to understand that once it's kind of violated your trading idea premise, that you get out and reevaluate and look for the next setup. Hopefully you learned something from this. Thank you.